Figma UI Design tutorial. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to Figma.com and sign up for an account by clicking the Get Started for Free button. Choose to continue using either email or Google. In this tutorial, we use Google. After signing in, you will arrive at the homepage. From there, click the Templates and Tools option. Scroll through the available templates and select one that you like. For example, choose UI UX Designer Heroes section, desktop and mobile. Click the template you selected, then click the Open in Figma button. Once the file is open, you can begin customizing your web design. To move any element, click and drag the layer you want to reposition. To edit text, select the text you want to change. Then go to the typography section on the right to adjust font, size, or other text settings. To add a rectangle, click the rectangle tool located in the lower part of the toolbar. If you need to delete any element, simply select the layer you want to remove and press either the delete or backspace key on your keyboard.